ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆ ಕವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕವರಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. Am I audible? Am I audible? Good morning, all. ಕಾವ್ಯ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Guys, I don't know. I can manage Hindi, Tamil. I am very good in English, Telugu, and Kannada and Telugu. First mother tongue is Kannada. Second Telugu and English. There is one statement, guys, in Kannada and Telugu. I can say, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಗೈಸ್? ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ తెలుగు ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు షేర్, నమస్కారానికి ప్రతి నమస్కారం సంస్కారం అంటారప్ప. సో ఇన్ దట్ కంటెస్ట్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఆల్. Like it's like in Telugu there was one super hit movie by name Adi, Junior NTR's second or third movie. In that there was one principal by name LV Sriram. He was expecting good morning for him, everyone. I'm not of that kind. Simply, guys, okay, everyone reply hi. Let me check. Let's stop and let's proceed to the class. Everyone reply at least hi. Okay, let's see. ಏನ್ ಮನೋಜ್ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಾವ್ಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮನೋಜ್. Okay guys, let's proceed with the class. Manoj, that Rotation. I will solve some other time before the second internals, or I will share a video. You people can go through that one. So before that one, let me complete the third module and even fourth module. I need to complete one or two topics. See, guys, the question paper pattern will be 10 marks from the second module, 30 marks from the third module, and 10 marks from the fourth module. Question paper will be set for 100. It will be like 10 plus 30 plus 10. Okay. Control C or Control V. The question paper will be like this for the second internals. 10 marks from the, it will be for 100 marks. Question paper will be for 100 marks. You need to attend for 50 marks. 10 marks for second module, 30 marks from third module, and 10 marks from fourth module. So, guys, do you people have any idea about clipping? Do you people have any idea about clipping? Leave about computer science or computer graphics or anything. Basically, what do you mean by clipping? Clipping ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸುಂದರ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಆಚೆ ನೋಡೋಗು. ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Manoj, Kavya, Kiran. Selection. Kavya, Kiran, others. What do you mean by clipping, Kavya? Guys, see, 25 to 30 people are there, but 30 people are there. Basham, Kaif, Mansoor. What do you mean by clipping? Yes, guys, what do you mean by clipping? Clipping andre ಏನು? Guys, simple thing I am asking. I am not asking anything which you people don't know. Simple ಆಗಿ at least you can Google it, right? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ. Hey, everyone reply hi. ಕಾವ್ಯ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಬಶ್ಯಮ್, ಕಿರಣ್, ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ನಾವು 4 ಜನ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅನ್ ಅವರ್ ಆರ್ 40 minutes. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ? ಮನೋಜ್, ಟ್ರಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್? ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಬಶ್ಯಮ್, ಕಿರಣ್, ಕಾವ್ಯ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What Manoj told is 100% correct. Trimming what is required. Clipping is the process of drawing pixels only at the selected region or well-defined window. Mansoor, okay, ಇರಬಹುದು. Small pieces which are required, which we required, okay. Cutting good. Trimming, Monica, correct. Look, you people, everyone gave the answers. Cutting you correct ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾವ್ಯ. Which are related. Hey, no, the answers what you people have given, it may be correct or wrong. It's neither correct, it's neither exact nor wrong, but you people gave some work and you people got to know something. Clipping andre ಏನು ಅಂತ. Okay, clipping andre selecting a part of a geometric object from the existing one. From the existing one, we are going to select something or we are going to cut something. That is normal definition of clipping. So with respect to computer graphics, how clipping plays a bigger role? 101% clipping a major thing in computer graphics. In computer graphics, clipping is the major thing. Where do you use clipping? Where do you use clipping? Or why clipping is required in computer graphics? See, everyone gave the relevant answer only. Cutting small pieces which are required, trimming what is required. All of you gave the correct answer only. Why do we need clipping in computer graphics? Why do we need clipping in computer graphics? You people have studied this one. Try to answer. To get the desired output. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೋಜ್ ಅದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Pipeline, in the pipeline, what is the first step in 2D pipeline? At least what word window is going to give? At least this one you reply. What word window is going to give? There are two windows, guys. Third module only important topic. First topic ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. Mapping from word coordinates to view coordinates. What word window is going to give and what view window is going to give or viewport is going to give? What to display? Clipping ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಮನೋಜ್? ಈಗ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. In word window, what we do? We do what to display. Our clipping window is going to give the information about what to display. There, what we are doing actually. There, what we are doing actually. Hey, Manoj or anyone. See, guys, the clipping window. This one, world window is going to give information about what to display. What to display, Andre? What we are doing? Are we doing clipping in world window or view window? Guys, ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Let's not be to remove the objects or line segments that are outside. We do. ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, Monica 100% correct ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. In word window, what we do is we remove objects or line segments that are outside the screen. Outside the, that is nothing but clipping or what, Monica? ನೀನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ relevant ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆಮ್ಮ. In world window, what we do is we remove the objects or line segments that are outside the screen. Can we call it as clipping? Others, what Monica told is to remove objects or line segments that are outside the screen. So that process, if we remove objects, Irapa, let me add some color to some sentences, some words to Monica's definition. So clipping is the process of removing objects or line segments that are outside the screen. Is it correct? If it is correct, reply. Clipping is the process of removing objects or line segments, or clipping is nothing but removing parts of the geometric objects that are outside the screen and presenting only the things which are inside the screen. Correct, guys, what you people told. Did you people understand the definition? If it is understood, reply D. Okay, how many types of clipping will be there? For what all we can do clipping? For what all we can do clipping? Can we do clipping for a vertex? Can we do clipping for a vertex? Vertex. Yes or no? Can we do clipping for a vertex? Yes or N? Or should we do clipping for a vertex? Should we do clipping for a vertex? Yes or no, first. Should we do clipping for a vertex? Guys, respond. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀವು? Should we do clipping for a vertex? Am I audible? Mansoor? Now you people reply, should we do clipping for a vertex? Hey, should we do clipping for a vertex? Can't a vertex lie outside the plane or outside the window? Is there any rule that the vertex will lie inside the window? Can't it lie outside the window? Hey, my question is, reply yes or no. Can't a vertex lie outside the window? Is there any rule that it should lie inside the window only? Yes or no? Sir, yes sir, it should lie inside the window. No sir, it can lie even outside the window. Which is correct? First statement or second statement? First statement, no sir, it should lie inside the window. Second statement, no sir, it can lie outside the window also. If it is lying outside the window, we are going to clip it off. If it is lying inside the window, we don't clip it off. First or second statement? Others. So, do people agree that even for the vertices we need to do clipping? Even for the vertices we need to do clipping. So next after vertices, next which are the things we need to do clipping? For a line, should the clipping be done or not? Not to be done. For a line, should the clipping be done or not to be done? We should do it, right? Next to polygon. First vertex, next to polygon line, next to polygon. For a polygon, should we do clipping or not? Okay, polygon ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We should do clipping for a polygon. 100% we should do. Next, for a text, text, should we do polygon clip? Should we do clipping or not? For text up. For text, should we do clipping or not? We should do, sir. Next, next thing is, how can we do clipping for a vertex? ಏನಾದ್ರು guess ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Guess ಮಾಡಿ. How can we do clipping for a vertex? Manoj, Mansoor, Kavya, Kiran. Nodi, think about that one. How can we do clipping for a vertex? There is an algorithm for polygon or line. For a vertex, how can you do clipping? No idea. Guys, Manoj, those are online. Mansoor, by taking its coordinates. Okay. Mansoor, or Manoj, or anyone who is online. If any vertex is lying between x minimum, x maximum, y minimum, y maximum. If any, hey, not really. This is x minimum, x maximum. This is x minimum, y minimum. This is x maximum, and this will be y maximum. So this is the screen, right, for us. If any vertex is lying outside the screen, will it be clipped off or it won't be clipped off? If it is lying outside that one, it will be clipped off, right? Yes or no? That's simple. If it is lying outside, if any vertex is lying outside, x minimum, y minimum, x maximum, y maximum. Grace, is the screen visible? Someone reply through voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go through this one, guys. We have point clipping, line clipping, polygon clipping, curve clipping, and text clipping. See here, next we have 2D. Sorry. See here, next we have 2D point clipping. If it is between x is, see here, if x is between x minimum and x maximum, a vertex means it will be x comma y, guys. A vertex means it will be x comma y. If that x comma y is between x minimum and x maximum and y minimum and y maximum, it will be visible. Else it won't be visible. That's it. Very simple. Is this point clipping and this clipping algorithm, this clipping concept, types of clipping, and if this point clipping is clear, reply PC. Reply PC. People, 3, 4 people. Good ma. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 5 ಜನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So next is line clipping. There is an algorithm, guys. See here, this is the before clipping. This is the screen before clipping, and after clipping, this will be the line. Go through this one. And we have an algorithm here. Very simple algorithm, but interesting. So we have this Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. Yes, listen here. This is important. Either clipping or this Cohen-Sutherland algorithm will be there for an internals as well as examination, guys. So go through this one. What is actually Cohen-Sutherland algorithm? So Cohen-Sutherland algorithm, what it is going to do is it is going to divide the entire screen into bits, guys. Left, this is left, this is right, this is top, bottom. Left, right, top, bottom. That Cohen-Sutherland algorithm is used for line or even polygon also we can use that one. First is left, right, top, bottom. Okay, left, right, top, bottom. It is going to assign the bits. It is going to assign the bits for the sides of a screen. Sides of a screen. Go through this one. For top, it is going to assign bit 4. For bottom, it is going to assign bit 3. For right, it is going to assign bit 2. For left, it is going to assign bit 1. I'll give you 1 minute time. Go through this one. With an example, we shall see this one. Very simple, but most important thing. Okay. What it is going to do is, let me explain you. See here. See here, guys. If this is the screen for you, if this is the one ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ zoom ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. If this is the screen for you, so this is left. So this is the left. This is the top. So this is the, let me explain through this one only. So we have this left, right, top and bottom, guys. So guys, see here, I'll take this one only. See here, a line maybe from left into the screen, from top into the screen, or from right into the screen, or from bottom into the screen. Illi nodi ile onde ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. See here, guys. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See here, this line P9 to P10, or this line, guys, P3 to P4. It is lying starting from, it is ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Listen properly. This line, guys, P3, it is starting from P3 to P4. This line is starting from P3 and it is ending at P4. Means it is starting from left and it is ending at left. This P7 to P8, what it is doing is it is starting from bottom and it is ending at right. Okay. And this P5 to P6, it is starting from left and it is coming inside the window. And P1 to P2, it is starting inside the window. P2, it is ending at inside the window. P10, it is starting at right and it is ending at left. This is the output. See here, guys, now you people might be having the idea. Like the lines, they may start from left. Lines, they may start from left, guys. Andre ee kadeyinda barbodu. Or they can come from top, or they can come from right, or they can come from bottom, or they can come from bottom, or they can be outside. See here, now there is these two are lying outside, or these two are lying outside, or even these two are lying outside, or even these two are lying outside. A line andre, or this line, it is lying inside the screen. A line andre, it may come from left to right, it may come from right to inside the screen, or top to inside the screen, bottom to inside the screen, or it may lie outside the screen. Now is this clear? Reply C if it is clear. ಈ diagram ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. The first diagram before clipping. Reply yes guys, just yes. Simple but ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ algorithm ಇದು. So let us see how to solve that one. So first what we are going to do is we are going to assign the bits for left, right, top, bottom. We are going to assign the bits for left, right, top, bottom. Left is 1 bit, right is 2 bits, bottom is 3 bits, top is 4 bits. See here, left bit is 001. Left is 01, left bit is 1, so it will be 001. Right bit is 2, so it will be 0010. Bottom bit is 3, so it will be 0100. Top bit is 4, that will be 1000. So how we got 1010? It is the combination of top and right. The combination of top and right is 1010. The combination of bottom and right is 0110. The combination of bottom and left is 0101. The combination of left and top is 1001. Is this diagram understood? If this understand, if this, go through this diagram guys. How we are going to assign the bits to all parts of the window? So guys, is this understood? Reply T if you have understood this table. Reply T. A table understood ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ reply T. Okay. Let us see how to decide using this table. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, I will mute for 5 seconds. So after we have built this table, so here what we are supposed to do, guys, is we are supposed to calculate the starting point and ending point, guys, of a line. From this table, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to calculate the starting point and ending point of a line by taking these values. If it is zero, means it is lying inside the window. If it is zero, if it is lying inside the window. If it is not zero, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If the guys here, if there is a line, guys, if there is a line, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to take this starting and this ending. And if you add this one and this one, if you add this value and if you add this value, if it is zero, if it is zero, if it is zero, it is understood that it is lying inside the window. It is lying inside the window. If it is not zero, if it is not zero, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to conclude that the line is outside the window or some part is outside the window. Let us ನೋಡ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. If there is a line, ಇರ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, this table memorize ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, what is the value of P3 and what is the value of P4? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. I cannot proceed without replying, without you people replying. What is the bit value of P4 and P3? Reply ಮಾಡಿ through chat. What is the bit value of P3 and P4? What is the bit value of P3 and P4, guys? Manoj, at least on the Ibrali, Manoj, Kavya, Monica. What is the bit value of, or the bit value of the line, or the point P3 ಮತ್ತೆ P4 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ರಾಜಾ? P3 ಮತ್ತೆ P4 the bit value ಎಷ್ಟು? It is lying in the left, right. Zero, 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 one. P3 P4 ಎಷ್ಟು ಮನೋಜ್? P3 ಮತ್ತೆ P4 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? So if you add that one, will you get 0, 0, 0 or will you get any other thing? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ P3 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 0, 0, 0. P4 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. P3 it is lying in the left. So the bit position is 1. So P3 is 0, 0, 0, 1. P4 is 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. If you add that one, what you are going to get? 0, 0, 1 or 0, 0, 1. If you add that one, what you will get? No, it's ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣಲೇ. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. What you will get? Zero ಬರಲ್ಲ Manoj. If you add those two things, you will get 0, 0, 1, 0, right? Mansur told correctly. Manoj, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 001 ಮತ್ತೆ 001 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0010 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So you did not get 0, guys. You did not get 0. If you get 0, means it is understood that it is lying inside the window. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡೋನು. So if you add P1 and P2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If you get all the bits as 0, 0, 0, it is understood that the line is lying inside the window. If you don't get 0000 or 4 zeros, if you won't get, it is understood that the line is lying outside the window or some part of line is lying outside the window. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು, if you take these 2 points, P1 is 4 zeros, P2 is 4 zeros. If you add 4 zeros plus 4 zeros, what you will get? You will be getting 0, 0, 0 only, right? Understood? Did you understand this one? Reply you. ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತೇನೋ? For this screen, we have left, right, top, bottom. Left is 001, 0001, 0001. Right is 0010. Top is all ones. Bottom is 3. If there is any line from inside to outside or inside to outside or outside to inside, we need to check by adding its bit positions. Is this clear? Reply clear.